Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to create password protected zip file in command line in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. So see here in my home directory I am having some few files and directories. I am going to add these files as content. Okay, let me open the terminal. So this is the command. Using zip command I am going to compress with password protection. Okay, zip hyphen capital P, zip hyphen capital P. So my password is a password. I am giving my password. So this is the password demo.zip. So it's the name of the archive. So now I'm adding the content demo.html, demo.java, eclipse hyphen workspace directory. So note down the syntax: zip hyphen capital P password archive name, next content of the archive. So you can see demo.zip is got created with password protection. Okay, I am copying this and pasting in different location. Okay, so okay, now this demo.zip is password protected. Let me try to extract in command line. Go to downloads location, unzip demo.zip. See here, it's asking for a password. So provide the password which you given during the compression. Yes, now I can able to extract the content by providing the password. So this is the way you can create a password protected zip file in command line. So now next I am going to I am going to show you another method of compressing the file. So this time I am going to compress the file by asking the password dynamically. Okay, dynamically providing the password while compressing. So I am removing the old. Okay, zip hyphen e. Okay, zip hyphen e demo.zip content. Now adding the content. See here, it's asking for the password dynamically. So what is the difference between previous command and current command is it will asking for the password dynamically. So zip hyphen p means you should provide the password in command itself. Zip hyphen e means it will ask for the password while compressing the directory. So you can see password protected zip archives got created. So this is the way you need to create password protected zip file in command line in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.